Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put 3-line border to shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show put 3-line border. Now, firstly, insert from shoot. Now go into the insert menu option, then click. Now click for shape option. Now select from any shape. Now choose from triangle shape. Now draw a triangle shape. Now go into the shape outline option. Then select from color, the shape line. Then again click for shape outline. Then click for width option. Now click for more lines option. Then click for a compound type option. Now select from 650 and click for width option. Width from 12. Now click for OK. That it's. Now we can say put 3-line border to shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for